Do you know what the first aircraft to ever break the sound barrier was? It wasn't a jet fighter you'd expect. It was the Bell X-1, a bright orange rocket plane nicknamed Glamorous Glennis. On October 14, 1947, pilot Chuck Yeager pushed it past Mach 1 at 45,000 feet, making history as the very first human to fly faster than sound. That iconic boom was the world's first supersonic shockwave. This single flight changed aviation forever and opened the door to modern fighter jets. Crazy, right? If you love epic aviation facts, smash that like button and subscribe for more.